Okay, first you want to make sure it fits on the page. And we're going to draw a circle, and if you don't like the first circle, keep drawing more circles. And then we're going to make a letter C out of dots in the center, almost donut-like, but not completely closed in. Sunflowers are a great way to practice stippling. Lots of dots, add texture. So we're gonna make a point at the top, the bottom, the left and right side, halfway, and then draw petals from each about approximately the same size. But petals aren't uniform, so it's fine. And then 2 more lines in between. These are going to be petals. You might want to overlap some behind and some forward to create some perspective. Again, they don't have to be uniform and perfect. Petals are not in nature. We're going to draw a long, gentle S curve, and off of that 1 leaf, and then off of the other side, another leaf. I'm drawing this with Sharpie, so we're just going to go in and add some thicker lines. We're going to add some more stippling and more lines in the petals. Making some lines thicker. Line weight is a great way to pull the eye where you want it to go. I'm adding a few little petals. Sunflowers have a lot of petals, so go for it. If you just wanted to draw a sunflower, you are done. If you want to paint it, follow along with the rest. I just drew my sunflower with a Sharpie. If you drew with pencil, if you want to paint over it like I'm doing, you'll want to go over those lines with something permanent like a Sharpie. I'm using fluid acrylics, but you could use watercolor. You could even use alcohol markers. I like to paint some expressive and loose details, so I'm going beyond the edges. But if you want to stay within the lines you drew, that works too. And now the green leaves, same thing. We're going to go a little bit beyond the edges, add some more splashes, add some more water. Have fun. A little bit of a deeper green. A little bit more in the stem, beyond the edges. That's a little bit too much, but don't worry, you can. Just grab a paper towel, pick up some of that paint. That's the good thing about watercolor. This is fluid acrylics, but it basically acts like watercolor. Just put something down and you can take most of it away. A little bit of brown in the center of the sunflower, a little darker towards the edges. You want to leave a little bit of a highlight in the center. And same thing with the leaves, pick a little bit of it back up. Now you've painted a sunflower. Great job. Thanks for painting with me.